Hello. Hello, Pushpa. How are you? Okay, listen to me. I need to say something to you. Can you come to my place? It's very urgent. Yes, it's very, very urgent. That's why I called you at night. Or else I would have never called you at this late. Okay. Listen, Puspa. I have called you here because right now I have come to know that the second wave of corona is very, very, very dangerous. And that is why company is laying off many of its employees. And the rest of the employees will work from home from now. And this is how we can cut off the expenses of offices like electricity, stationery, telephones, bills, office, expense rent. This all will end now.
But sir, we have to pay office rent, right? Then how it will finish?
Now we are going to vacate this office and we will keep everything of the office inside a godown. And the main thing about this is I will select the employees who will stay and who will be fired. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And in our selection list, you are in the top of the list. So you type an email to the company's official website. This is the list of the people who company is going to fire. You will forward this mail from our behalf. You will write in the mail that they are given holidays and till the company gets back to the position, they will not get their salary. Till then. During the holidays, if someone need their salaries, then they can give their resignation to the company. And this is that list who have to work from home.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Good. Type the mail fast.
Okay, sir. I'll do it.
Okay.
आप होंगे ना कुछ अब क्या होता है ना कि जब कोई शेयर बहुत महंगा इंडिया में तो नहीं है ये बाहर जो कोई शेयर बहुत महंगा हो गया ना तो उसको मान लो कि इंडिया में एमआरएफ है उसके साले का एक शेयर 1 लाख रुपए का हो गया
Hello.
Hello. Hi Pushpa. Where are you?
Yeah, tell me.
Where are you these days?
I'm in office. You tell me.
Office? Who works this late in the office? Today we are going out for some fun. I thought I should give you a call before going. So I called you.
To have fun? But where are you going?
Oh Pushpa darling, I think you don't know anything about the fun. We're going there.
For movie.
Yes.
Oh God. I cannot go.
Why? What happened?
Actually, the thing is that my boss actually has given lot of work. He actually told me to mail all the employees. So I am really busy.
Okay then let's go when you are free.
Yeah. When I'll be free, I'll come.
You spend your day with your boss and we are going out for the movie.
What movie I'll make? Okay, fine. You go. Enjoy. Have fun. Bye.
Okay, bye. Take care. Did you mail everyone, Pushpa?
Yes, sir. Just this is pending.
Okay, then it's okay. This habit of yours is really good, Pushpa. You do your work really fast, Pushpa. Now look at this. You have mailed all the employees so fast. That's really nice. Huh? If anyone would have come in your place, they would have said, how will I mail all of this in one night, sir? Good.
Thank you, sir, for this compliment.
This is not compliment, Pushpa. You deserve it. But But I'm angry with you, Pushpa. I am doing so much for you, Pushpa. And you are not even looking at me. Huh?
Sir, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing, Pushpa. Don't say anything. To save your job, you will have to do some sacrifice, Pushpa. Or else you can leave. I will not force you for anything, Pushpa. Think about it once more. Corona is everywhere. And the selection list, it's on my hands.
Okay, sir.
I have made her all mine now. It'll all be the fun now. Why are you so late today? Were you tired yesterday?
Actually, the thing is, sir, so much hard work I did last night. It should be rewarded, right?
What are you trying to say?
I mean that last night we worked so hard. I have taken a video of it. I thought I'll show you. See? It's nice, isn't it? Tell me, sir.
So now you are going to blackmail me here. Delete this video right now, or your body won't be found anywhere in this world.
Sir, please forgive me, sir. I did a very big mistake, sir. Please forgive me, sir.
Huh? Why are you laughing?
What did you expect such filmy dialogues from me? Sir, now you save your own ass. It's the time of social media. In a quick time, you will be viral. And all these employees of yours might have to come and stay at your own house. If anything happens to me, then one more file, I have hidden it somewhere else. Even that will be viral. Then you won't be ever able to show your face elsewhere.
What do you want? Tell me.
Now you're talking sensibly. Then listen. Put me in the Terminators list of our company and give me 20 lakh rupees so that I can open my own business. Now enough of working for others. And that too, I want cash, only cash.
Okay, Pushpa. Give me a little bit of time. This much of money, that also cash. It will take some time to arrange that money.
Okay. You have now 3 days of time. Get it done.